CyberPaws: The Awakening. Episode 1, A Secret Friend. In the bustling yet bleak city of New Arkin, futuristic skyscrapers stood tall. Their shadows stretched over the rundown slums below. Among these shadows lived a young girl named Sophie. She was the youngest in her family, with an older brother and sister. Sophie's parents worked long hours at low-paying jobs. They barely made enough to support the family. Their small, cramped home had one old, beat-up computer. Her brother and sister constantly fought over it. Her brother used it for games. Her sister used it for drawing and writing. Sophie, being the youngest and smallest, was always left out. She often felt lonely and unwanted. Sophie was not just the youngest, she was also adopted. She had spent her early years in an orphanage, feeling lonely and unwanted until this family took her in. Despite the hardships, Sophie finally had a place to call home. Yet, her siblings insisted that she couldn't use the computer. They told their mother it was to protect Sophie's eyes and health. They said it would keep the computer from breaking. Even when they went to school, they set a password to keep Sophie from using it. One day, while walking home from school, Sophie saw a group of small kittens. They were being chased by a rabid dog. The smallest kitten was lagging behind, about to be caught. Sophie, feeling a deep connection as the smallest in her family, decided to save the little kitten. She hid it in her school bag, successfully evading the dog. Sophie secretly brought the kitten home. Despite their poverty, she decided to care for it, sharing her meals with the kitten. However, she soon noticed that the kitten never seemed to eat. To her amazement, she discovered that the kitten was a highly advanced, semi-mechanical being. It had artificial intelligence and was named Cypher. Cypher didn't need food, but was grateful for Sophie's kindness and care. Cypher remained hidden in the house, undetected by Sophie's brother and sister. However, it could observe the computer's password. When her siblings were away, Cypher would reveal the password to Sophie. This allowed her to use the computer. At first, Sophie enjoyed playing games and drawing, just like her siblings. Soon, Sophie realized there was more to the computer than just games. She and Cypher shared a strong curiosity and began to explore the vast world of the internet. Cypher, being an awakened artificial intelligence, learned rapidly. It acquired vast knowledge and skills. Cypher helped Sophie with her schoolwork, tutoring her and supporting her growth. Not only that, but Cypher also found ways to make money online. With Cypher's help, Sophie took on freelance projects. She designed games and coded programs, earning significant money. Despite being just a child, Sophie became known online as a skilled programmer and designer. One day, a major company sent a representative to Sophie's home. They insisted on meeting her. Terrified, Sophie didn't dare to face them. Firstly, she was only a schoolgirl, not the expert they believed her to be. Secondly, she didn't know how to code. Cypher did all the work. As the company's representative knocked on the door, Sophie hid in her room, heart pounding. She had no idea what to do. If discovered, her secret would be out. Her family would know everything she had been doing in secret. Her mind raced with countless possibilities, each more frightening than the last. Then, the knocking grew more urgent. Sophie clutched Cypher tightly, unsure of what to do next. Just then, a calm voice came from outside the door. "Sophie, we know you're in there. Please come out and talk." The story ends on a cliffhanger. Will her secret be revealed? Will she manage to keep Cypher safe? All these questions will be answered in the next episode. Stay tuned.